There's my Honda Silverwing GL500. A few little upgrades on it. Just finished the paint. This is just temporary. I'm gonna get some better paint in the future, and I ran out of sandpaper a little bit, so might have to go over a little more, but put some automotive clear on it. Thinking two-tone clear pearlescent. That's my trailer tail light. Got these turn signals for like 10 bucks on eBay. They got little red running park lights on them. They're not the best. They're a little loose. I think I gotta glue the bolt that goes through in there, because it was trying to pull out when I tighten them up. Rear back seat delete. This fender's from a Honda Silverwing. I mean a Honda Goldwing. I think it was a 83. Runs real good. Just gotta do a few little other things. I had to fix the shifter lever seal. It was leaking when I got it. eBay headlight. It's already starting to bow a little bit. They say they melt. Well, either the bulb's way too powerful or those are really shitty. I think these are really shitty plastic. Might look for a glass lens to pop in it, or just get a Harbor Freight headlight. I don't know. I do have to fix the front brake lines. They're if I could find new ones it'd be nice, but they're probably expensive. But I'll probably snap neither one of those back in. There we go. The hoses are like clogged up. That's why the brake light was staying on. This is loose. It's trying to lock. This caliper here is holding more pressure. The hose is clogged up somewhere. When you squeeze it, don't release the pressure back into the cylinder. I don't know. I went through this and cleaned it. One of these bolts broke, so I got to drill it out and rethread it in there. A few little things here and there, but she's real quick. Only 500 cc, 50 horsepower, probably about 475 pounds at most. With the rear delete, I took off at least 30 pounds at least. But clean her up a little more. I'm gonna paint the radiator cover shroud thing. It looks like louvers. I'm gonna paint that too. This is just to get it out of the nasty brownish purple color. But in the future, I'm probably just gonna pull these mufflers off. They sound real nice with just the mufflers off and the little H-pipe box, the factory stuff. And probably gonna lower the frame down to about here where the seat goes. Just cut it here and here and drop it down about 4 inches and put me a Springer seat there. A few other little things here and there.